Hey, I don't know about you guys, but you ever have a problem with heartburn? Because, man, I tell you what, I drink water and I got heartburn. And the doctors, all they want to do is give you some omeprazole, which, quite frankly, I think it kind of clouds your mind. I don't like taking a lot of crap that doctors give you. And so I found this thing that kind of helps me. Redbird peppermint. And if you have heartburn, try some of these. I eat a couple, 3 every time I get heartburn, and then it just seems to kind of go away for a while. And then after like a week or so of having heartburn, it seems like it just kind of goes away. I don't know what it does to the stomach acids, but it must do something to neutralize it or something. But I mean, I don't eat a lot of junk food. I'm kind of a meat and potato type of person, I like venison, you know, down to earth, real food. So try some of this handcrafted Redbird. No, I'm not sponsored. I ain't getting anything from them. They didn't buy these for me. I had to buy them. But check it out. I get heartburn drinking water, and I'm not a big water drinker. But even when I drink like maybe a little bit of root beer or something, sometimes I get heartburn from that. But the Redbird peppermints, they help out a lot. Try it. You might like it. Like, subscribe, throw a thumbs up. Leave a comment if you want. If you got a better idea, let me know. I kind of like doing organic stuff if I can. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it.